Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Class, how are you today?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
How about you,
How
ma'am?
about you, ma'am?
I'm fine too. I hope you all are in good condition, with good health and full of spirit. Okay. Before we start our lesson, I want you to pray, and I want to ask Pak Fajar to lead us to pray. Please, Pak Fajar.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, friend. Before we are going to start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Thank you, Pak Fajar.
Yes, ma'am.
And now I want to check the attendance. Please raise your hand when I call your name, ya.
Okay.
Pak Fajar,
Yes, ma'am.
Pak Iwan,
Present, ma'am.
Miss Iriani, Miss Eko,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Ika,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Ana,
I am.
Miss Riris,
I am, ma'am.
and the last one, Miss Alice. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
So today no one absent, ya, and that's good. Okay. Today is Friday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any plan for this weekend? Ma'am.
Stay at home, ma'am.
Stay at home. Okay, it's okay. We can watch a movie. We can play with our child or something else. Now, today's material is about intention. Do you know intention mean?
No, not. I don't.
You don't know? Anyone? Do you know what intention mean?
Intention?
Yes.
Yes, bukan sih, Bu.
Yes, good, Miss Ika. Intention means plan, ya, atau merencana atau niatan in bahasa. Jadi, today we are going to learn about how we express intention in English, right? Are you ready to study?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. I'm
we are
ready.
ready.
Sip. Okay, before I explain more about intention, I will show you some pictures about some places. Okay, wait. I will share my screen. Expression of intention. Tadi apa artinya intention?
Rencana.
Rencana, ma'am.
Atau niatan.
Niatan.
Okay. Look at the pictures below. Perhatikan baik-baik ya. The first picture, the second picture, the third picture, and the last picture. Okay. Do you know these places, guys?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There is beach.
And then this is
Theme park. Theme park.
park. And this one?
Wow.
Mall. And this
Is that
one?
mall?
Mountain.
Mountain.
Mountain. Good. Why do you think people visit these places?
They want to get relaxed, ma'am.
Yes.
Relax. And what else?
Holiday, ma'am.
Yes.
Holiday. Take a vacation. What else?
To get fresh air.
Yes, find fresh air. Good. What can they do there?
Swimming.
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 Jajan di mall.
Camping.
Buy something.
Yes.
See sunrise, sunset, hiking. Good.
Taking a photo.
Yeah.
Sure. Which one do you prefer to visit, guys?
Mall.
Beach. I want to go to the beach.
I want to go to mall. I miss mall so much.
Ya,
I
karena
love beach.
sana-sana ya.
Okay.
And then, okay, sekarang kita continue. I will give you a video about intention. While watching, please focus on the expression of intention. Perhatikan baik-baik ungkapan intention yang ada di sini ya. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will learn phrases that you can use to discuss your future planning.
Hello, dear viewer. We plan out things ahead, and we love to share our plans with our family and friends, don't we? When we talk about things we plan, we use I'm going. In this lesson, we're going to see a lot of I'm going to conversations. Do listen to them all, and also make sure you check out the vocabulary section at the end. Feel free to practice the lines by pausing the lesson and repeating the dialogue anytime you want. Let's get started now.
Why are you packing all this stuff?
I'm going to Sydney.
You what? You didn't tell me.
Well, I got a call from my boss. He said, I've got to board tomorrow's flight.
Is everything all right?
I think there's some problem there in the sales team. I've been asked to sort it out.
I see. Well, take care of yourself and have a safe journey. What should I cook for dinner tonight?
Don't bother me. I'm going to have dinner out today.
Is there any special occasion?
Yup, one of my friends is throwing her birthday party, and I'm invited to her house tonight for barbecue.
That sounds good. All right, have fun then. Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to the downtown weekend party. Do you want to come along?
No, I already have some other plans.
All right. See you tomorrow then.
I won't be here tomorrow. I'm going to board tonight's flight to Queensland.
Are you going on a vacation?
Yep, I'm going along with some friends. You won't see me around for a few days.
All right. Have fun. What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm going to cook something special today.
Special? What's today's special then?
I'm going to prepare scallops with asparagus made in white sauce.
That sounds really tempting. Is there anything for dessert?
You'll have to wait for it, dear.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Downtown means the busy center of the city where a variety of stores are available. Barbecue. Barbecue is a type of cooking done outdoors directly on fire. When you have a barbecue with friends, it's fun. Going on a vacation. Going on a vacation means to go away for some time to another place to relax and have fun. It's also called going on a holiday. Tempting. When something is tempting, it's something that you like very much and want to have. You can use the word tempting for food or for anything that creates a strong feeling of desire in you. Dessert. The dessert is the sweet dish at the end of a meal.
Thank you for watching this lesson. We'll be back with a new lesson.
Okay. Now I will play the video once more so you can write down the expression of intention on your book ya. Ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
play it once more.
Welcome to TwoMinEnglish.com. In this lesson, planning.
Things ahead, and we love to share our plans with our family and friends, don't we? When we talk about things we plan, we use I'm going to start the sentence. In this lesson, we're going to see a lot of ongoing to conversations. Do listen to them all and also make sure you check out the vocabulary section at the end. Feel free to practice the lines by pausing the lesson and repeating the dialogue anytime you want. Let's get started now.
Why are you packing all of this stuff?
I'm going to Sydney.
You what? You didn't tell me.
Well, I got a call from my boss. He said, I've got to board tomorrow's flight.
Is everything all right?
I think there's some problem there in the sales team. I've been asked to sort it out.
I see. Well, take care of yourself and have a safe journey.
What should I cook for dinner tonight?
Don't bother me. I'm going to have dinner out today.
Is there any special occasion?
Yup, one of my friends is throwing her birthday party, and I'm invited to her house tonight for barbecue.
That sounds good. All right, have fun then. Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to the downtown weekend party. Do you want to come along?
No, I already have some other plans.
All right. See you tomorrow then.
I won't be here tomorrow. I'm going to board tonight's flight to Queensland.
Are you going on a vacation?
Yep, I'm going along with some friends. You won't see me around for a few days.
All right. Have fun. What are you cooking for dinner?
I'm going to cook something special today.
Special? What's today's special then?
I'm going to prepare scallops with asparagus made in white truffle.
That sounds really tempting. Is there anything for dessert?
That's a surprise. You'll have to wait for it, dear.
Okay, I think that's enough. Have you got some?
Downtown.
Sorry.
Downtown means the busy center of a
I
city
have
where a
to pause
variety of
it. Yeah. Okay, class. Have you write down some expression from the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please mention one by one. Anyone? What expression found in the videos?
I'm going to Sydney.
I'm going to Sydney. Good. What else?
All by the all by
Yeah. What else?
I'm going to prepare scallops with asparagus made in white
Yes.
truffle. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. What else?
I'm going to cook something special.
I'm going to cook something special. Anything else? Yeah, going along with some bread. Okay, now let's take a look for the expression found in the video. Okay, I'm going to Sydney. I'm going to have dinner out tonight. I'm going to the downtown weekend party. Gonna board tonight. Kemudian, are you going on a vacation? I'm going along with some friends. I'm going special today, and I'm going to develop with asparagus made in white truffle. Good. Now, as you can see, all of these expressions use I'm going to. Ya. Nah, going to itu digunakan to express intention, untuk mengungkapkan maksud rencana atau niat. Biasanya menggunakan kata to be, going to, karena di sini subjeknya I, jadi pakai am, I'm going to. Nah, kamu bisa lihat di sini nomor 4 ada yang menggunakan gonna. Ada yang tahu gonna itu apa artinya?
Tahu, Bu.
Oh, apa?
Going to disingkat jadi gonna.
Yes, good, Miss Alice. Gonna itu adalah singkatan dari going to, tapi it's usually used in spoken. Ya, jadi kalau dalam written itu tidak digunakan biasanya seperti itu. Okay, let's move to another definition. expressing intention. Nah, this is the definition of what is intention. Saya mau coba Miss Riris, please read this to us. Miss Riris, are you there? Miss Riris?
Jadi sininya belum, masih mute. Saya Ibu.
Iya. Miss Riris, can you please read this for us?
Bu Riris lagi permisi Bu. Lagi ke toilet kali
Oh,
Bu.
sorry, because I can see your face. I can only see my screen, so I don't know which one is still on. Oke, saya minta Bu Elis aja deh. Mem Elis, please.
Oke Bu, expressing an intention. What is expression intention? Expressing intention is an expression that is used to state plans or something intended to do in the future.
Oke, thank you Miss Elis. Ya, jadi expression intention itu adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan rencana atau sesuatu yang memang ingin dilakukan di masa depan, gitu ya. Kemudian, the social function. I want Pak Iwan to read this, please.
Yes, ma'am. The social function telling and asking about intention of doing something is used to develop interactional communication with others.
Oke, thank you Pak Iwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, jadi social function-nya, fungsi sosialnya adalah untuk memberitahu atau menanyakan tentang tujuan yang digunakan untuk membangun komunikasi interaksional dengan orang lain. Oke, berikutnya, next. The following are main expressions of stating intention. Nah, berikut ini adalah ungkapan-ungkapan yang umum, yang utamanya biasanya digunakan untuk menyatakan intention. The first one is I would like to. Second one, I will. The third, I want to. Kemudian, I'm going to. Dan terakhir adalah I would rather. Jadi ada 5 ungkapan ini yang umumnya digunakan untuk menyatakan intention. Berikutnya, the examples of expressing intention. Saya mau minta Bu Miss Iriani, please, would you read this for us? Intention. Oh yeah, sorry. Good. Thank you Bu Iriani. As you can see, the bold words ini adalah yang diambil dari sini ya. Jadi I would like to tell about my family, I will visit, kemudian I want to make. Nah, ini contoh kalimatnya. Berikutnya, there are some ways to ask intention or plan. Ini cara yang digunakan untuk menanyakan rencana. Saya mau minta Bu Ana, please read.
Alright, ma'am. What is your plan? What are you going to do? What will you do? What are you planning to do? What do you want to do? What would you rather do?
Ya, thank you Bu Ana.
You're welcome.
Oke, jadi ini adalah ungkapan cara menanyakan. What is your plan? What are you going to do? What will you do? What are you planning to do? What do you want to do? Dan what would you rather do? Jadi sama pakai yang ini, cuma perbedaannya di sini kalimat tanya. Berikutnya, nah this is the formula of expressing intention. Ini adalah rumusnya. Rumus to express intention. Oke, the first one, subject plus would like to plus verb 1. For example, I would like to answer the question. Kemudian yang kedua, subject plus be, am is are, going to plus verb 1. I'm going to climb Semeru Mountain next month. Subject plus will plus verb 1. I will get you a cup of tea. And the last one, subject plus would rather plus verb 1 plus then. I would rather go by train than by bus. Nah, seperti yang kalian bisa lihat di sini, dalam rumus ini semua ekspresi use the verb 1. Ya, di sini ya. Verb 1, verb 1, verb 1, verb 1. Jadi di sini tidak boleh menggunakan kata kerja tambahan. Misalkan kalian tambahkan ing, as, dan sebagainya. Di sini semua artinya sama, ingin. I would like to answer the question. Saya ingin menjawab pertanyaan. I'm going to climb Semeru Mountain next month. Saya ingin mendaki Gunung Semeru bulan depan. I will get you a cup of tea. Saya akan mengambilkan kamu secangkir teh. I would rather go by train than by bus. Saya lebih memilih pergi dengan kereta dibanding dengan bis. Okay, this is another example. Examples of expressing intention. Saya mau Pak Fajar, would you please read this for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
I would like to tell about my family. I will visit museum today. I'm going to make a pancake. I'm going to introduce my friend. Produce. I would rather stay at home than go fishing.
Good.
I'm going to finish my project this night. I'm going to meet Jack at the library at 7. We are going to study together. My classmate and I are going to visit National Museum next week. I would like to present my science project at this moment.
Okay, thank you, Pak Fajar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, do you know why I put the red color in some words here?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what it is?
No.
Verb 1, ma'am.
The one is and
Miss Alice and Pak Fajar. The red one, the red color is the verb 1. Terus tadi saya bilang, of you use verb in some sentences. Jadi sini saya tekankan. Jadi you have to use verb 1 in making intention, tell, visit, making, introduce, not telling, not visiting, dan sebagainya. You get it?
yes.
Okay. Okay, before I explain more, is there any question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it, Pak Fajar?
I have a question. What is the difference of would like to, be going to, will, and would rather, ma'am? Apa perbedaan would like to, be going to, would rather, ma'am?
Okay, thank you, Pak Fajar. That's a good question. Jadi kalau would like to, di sini kan ada would like to, will, going to, dan would rather. Okay, actually I will explain now. Okay, this is the differences atau the function of each formula. Okay, the first one, I would like to plus verb. Saya mau minta tolong siapa yang belum ya? Bu Eko, tolong please read the red one.
Yes, ma'am. The red one. I would like to. Would like means want, but it is more polite.
Good.
Function. Talk about dreams and ambitions. It lets someone know what you would be or interest in doing something. This can be a physical, mental, or verbal action. To talk about what people want to do or are willing to do. Is that ma'am?
Yes. Thank you, Bu Eko. Oke.
Ma'am.
Jadi untuk would like to itu digunakan untuk menyatakan keinginan, sama seperti want, I want. Cuma di sini bahasanya more polite atau lebih sopan. Jadi sama kegunaannya, menyatakan keinginan melakukan sesuatu. Ya, kemudian Contoh sini talk about dreams. Contohnya, I would like to speak to Anna. Saya mau bicara sama Anna. Itu bisa juga I want to speak Anna, cuma lebih polite, more polite, lebih sopan. Kamu bisa gunakan I would like to gitu. Next, sekarang I will. Saya mau minta tolong siapa lagi ya? Tadi ada Bu Ana deh, Bu Ana. I will.
Ya, Bu.
Tolong dibacakan.
Baik. Function. Function ya, Bu?
Ya, Bu. Functions.
At the moment, we make a new decision or plan. The thought has just come into our head. Lalu instant decision. Plans decided at the moment of speaking. Begitu, Ibu?
Iya, thank you Bu Ana.
You are welcome.
Oke. Nah, untuk will ini digunakan untuk menyatakan sebuah niatan melakukan sesuatu tapi pada saat bicara instant decision. Jadi sebelumnya belum direncanakan nih mau melakukan sesuatu. Pada saat bicara baru terbersit niat.
Spontan ya, Bu? Maksudnya spontan.
Betul. For example, you are watching a movie with your brother and then someone knocks the door. Terus kamu bilang, I will open the door. Biar saya bukain pintu deh. Nah, sebelumnya kan kamu nggak punya niatan buat buka pintu tuh. Karena ada suara pintu diketuk, jadi kamu mau buka pintu. Jadi gitu. Jadi I will itu untuk instant decision. It at the moment of speaking. Gitu ya, guys. Oke. Kita lanjut. I'm going to. Saya mau siapa lagi ya? Belum Bu Iriani lagi deh. Bu Iriani, I'm going. Iya. Iya. Good, terima kasih Bu Riani. Oke, so when you use I'm going to, itu digunakan ketika you have already planned it before the moment of speaking. Jadi sebelum-belumnya tuh kamu udah punya rencana. Dari jauh-jauh hari kamu sudah merencanakan sesuatu. For example, when I say I'm going to Malang next month. Saya mau ke Malang nih bulan depan. Nah, itu sudah memang direncanakan, sudah di-prepare, di-planning benar-benar gitu. Jadi beda dengan tadi yang will. Kalau will at the moment of speaking, kalau I'm going to itu memang sudah direncanakan. Seperti itu. Kemudian, the last one I would rather. Please Pak Iwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Please to us.
I would rather, ma'am, ya?
Yes.
I would rather function when we choose between two options. Example, I would rather stay at home than go fishing.
Good. Terima kasih Pak Iwan. Jadi untuk would rather ini digunakan untuk memilih antara dua pilihan. I would rather stay at home than go fishing. Saya lebih milih tinggal di rumah aja dibanding memancing. Jadi ada dua pilihan, mana yang kamu prefer, mana yang kamu lebih suka. Seperti itu. I hope my explanation is clear enough. Any question, guys?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
To make you more understand about this breakdown, how if we do some exercises? Do you agree?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I already sent the LKPD to your WA, the WA group. Have you checked it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
Now,
Yes.
Nah, sekarang I want you do it in group. Please do the assessments in LKPD 1 part A, just part A ya. Do in group. Nah, kan belum saya bagi nih. Sekarang saya bagi dulu ya, sesuai catatan saya. Saya mau Pak Fajar. Pak Fajar beserta satu kelompok dengan Bu Iriani, kemudian Iwan dengan Bu Eko, Bu Ika dengan Bu Riris, dan Bu Ana dengan Bu Elis. Sudah jelas ya? Halo
Yes,
guys.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oke, action. Kita perhatikan perintahnya ya. Identify the expressions of asking and telling intention to do an action or activity from the dialogue. Tapi di situ kan ada dialogue. Kamu cek mana yang asking intention dan telling intention. Oke, saya start screen di sini juga bisa ya, sambil dicek. I give you about 5 to 6 minutes to do the task. Ini teksnya, kamu kerjakan di kolom yang ini ya guys.
Oke, ma'am.
Number one and number one for asking intention and telling intention have been done. Jadi sudah ada contohnya. Okay, have you done it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Disimpan dulu ya kerjaannya ya. Kita lanjut ke part B. Di situ ada part B-nya. Perintahnya, use be going to and would like to in close passage related to intention to do an action or activity. Kamu cukup tambahkan be going to and would like to. Sorry. Oh, di sini, ini tasknya. I give you 5 minutes. Just tell me if you have finished it ya.
Finish, ma'am.
That's good. Oke. Simpan dulu jawabannya dan let's continue to the part C. Complete the dialogue related to intention to do an action or activity. Ini. From number 6 to number 10. I give you, ini agak lebih lama, I give you 10 minutes, okay?
We're done, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, I want you to present your discussion result. Each group present your result ya. Coba saya mau tanya untuk grup 1. Tadi grup 1 itu Pak Fajar dan Bu Arini. Oke, please ask for the question number 1. Ini yang ini aja ya. Expression of asking intention. Sebutkan.
Yes, ma'am. What would you like to do in the long weekend? Nomornya, are you going to bake chocolate cookies like the other days?
Yes.
Numbernya, would you like to join me to learn baking cookies?
Ya.
Number 5, will you going fishing with me and my dad?
Oke, thank you. Nanti tugasnya tetap dikumpulkan, jadi nanti saya cek later ya. Oke, untuk expression of telling intention, please grupnya Pak Iwan and Bu Eko.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one.
Okay, expression of telling intention. I would rather stay at home than
Yes.
go fishing.
Good.
Number 3, we are going to do practice baking cookies.
Yes,
Number
next.
4, we are going to try to make jigger cookies too.
Mm-mm.
The last, I would like to bake cookies with Riri.
Okay, thank you. For part B, I want Miss Ika and Miss Riri's group.
Okay, Miss. I will answer it. Okay, Miss Liris.
Okay, we can.
Number 1. Yes, I'm going to do it today. Okay, number 2. I think I would like to bake cookies with Riri. Number 3. Would you like to have dinner with me? Number 4. The Moscow State Circus is going to be performing in Sattelham. And the last one, she's going to cook a cake.
Okay, thank you.
That's all, ma'am. You're welcome.
Okay, next part C, group, the last group, Bu Ana and Bu Elis. Langsung bagian sini aja ya, Bayu. Bu Ana, Bu Elis.
Iya, Ibu. Saya bacakan atau bergantian?
Boleh.
Bu Ana, baca saja.
Oh, baca saja, baik. Oke. Definitely my dad and I, yang begitu ya, Bu?
Ya, betul.
Oke, baik. Definitely my dad and I are going to go fishing.
Good. Nomor 7 langsung,
Nomor
Bayu.
7 langsung. Would you like to come with us?
Good. Number 8.
Number 8. Would you like to do on the long weekend?
Number 9.
Number 9. We are going to practice baking cookies.
Number 10.
I would like to bake cookies with Riri.
Okay, thank you guys. You all did a great job. Jadi nanti tugasnya tetap dikumpulkan ya. Nanti
Ya,
biar saya
Bu.
yang cek. Ya,
Oke,
saya
ma'am.
hanya membahas tentang hasil discussion kalian. Okay. I think this is the end of our main section. Kemudian sekarang kita do some reflection. Ini bukan pijat refleksi ya. Kita reflection. Sekarang saya mau tanya, what do you have learned today? What material that we have learned today?
Intention.
I learn about intention, ma'am.
Intention, good. What is intention mean?
Rencana,
Rencana, niat,
kemauan.
Iya, betul. Sekarang, how do we express intention in English? Ungkapan apa? Kak?
I'm going to.
Right.
I would rather. I would like. I will.
I would.
And I would rather than.
I would rather. Good. Kemudian, untuk I think it's understandable ya. Apa ada pertanyaan lagi? Apa sudah cukup jelas untuk materi hari ini?
It is clear, ma'am. It is clear.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, ma'am.
For the next meeting, we are still going to discuss about the same material, but will focus on how to make dialogue using expression of intention, and then you practice it in front of the class. Ready?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's for the next meeting. Okay, I think that's enough for today's meeting. Kita berdoa dulu ya sebelum mengakhiri pelajaran. Karena saya minta Pak Fajar lagi berdoa.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, friend. Before we are closing our lesson, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Terima kasih Pak Fajar, and have a nice day, guys, and have a nice weekend. Terima kasih.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Waalaikumsalam.
Have a nice day,
Thank
a nice
you,
weekend.
ma'am.
Thank you.
See you.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay.